In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move spam email to inbox in Gmail. If you've noticed that an important message was mistakenly sent to your spam folder, don't worry. Gmail makes it easy to fix that, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to move that email back to your inbox. This is useful when you're expecting a message and can't find it, or when Gmail incorrectly flags a legitimate sender. To get started, open Gmail and make sure you're on the main inbox screen. This is your default email view, where your incoming messages usually appear. From here, you'll need to access the full list of folders and labels in the left-hand navigation panel. On the left side of the screen, click on More. This expands the menu and reveals additional folders that aren't always visible right away. If you don't immediately see the folder you need, this section is where Gmail hides extra options like spam, trash, and other labels. Once the menu expands, click on Spam. This will open the spam folder, where Gmail stores messages it believes may be suspicious or unwanted. It's a good idea to review this folder occasionally, especially if you're waiting for something important like a verification email, receipt, or reply from a new contact. Now find and select the email you want to restore. In this example, you'll choose the sample email shown in the spam folder. Make sure you're clicking the correct message before continuing, since this action tells Gmail that the email was placed there by mistake. After selecting the email, click on Not Spam. Gmail will immediately remove the message from the spam folder and return it to your inbox. This also helps Gmail learn from your action, which may reduce the chances of similar messages being marked as spam in the future. That's all it takes. You started in Gmail, expanded the left navigation by clicking More, opened the spam folder, selected the email, and then clicked Not Spam to move it back to your inbox. If you regularly receive emails from the same sender, this step can help improve future delivery. And if you still don't see the message in your inbox afterward, check other Gmail tabs like Promotions or Updates, since the message may have been sorted there instead. And that's how to move a spam email back to your inbox in Gmail.